Welcome Period Algebra 1. Hope everybody's doing well. Today is a 2-for-1 special. Looking at FlexiQuiz and what some of you submitted yesterday or late last night, early this morning, I want to backtrack a couple steps to get everybody up to speed where you need to be. That previous section on 4.4 was parallel and perpendicular lines. I only wanted you to be responsible, or there's two main takeaways I wanted you to have leaving that particular section, is to understand what the slope relationship is between parallel lines and what the slope relationship is between perpendicular lines. So as a real quick review, if you haven't already taken a quiz, if I provide you a line with an equation of y equals 2x plus 3, and I ask you to tell me the slope of a line parallel to that, it would be identical. It would also have a slope of 2. And if I asked, okay, well, let's write an equation of a line that is parallel to y equals 2x plus 3, and then it has a y-intercept, let's say, of 7. So it's going to have the exact same slope of 2, or 2 over 1, and the correct equation would be y equals 2x plus 7. That would be the equation of a line parallel to this line. This one has a y-intercept of 3, this one has a y-intercept of 7. Parallel lines have the exact same slope. They're never going to get any closer together, they're not going to get any further apart, and they have no points in common, there's no intersections. Similarly, if you were given a line of y equals 1/4 x minus 2, and they wanted you to construct an equation of a line parallel to that, let's say that has a y-intercept of -5. It would be the exact same slope of 1/4 x minus 5. These two lines are parallel, different y-intercepts. Okay? Parallel lines have identical slopes. Now conversely, perpendicular lines have slopes that are, it's kind of a fancy name, are negative reciprocals of each other. And what that means is that you take that slope, you turn it upside down, negative reciprocals, and you change the sign, which makes sense. So if two lines are perpendicular to each other, one of them is going to have a positive slope, its perpendicular counterpart is going to have a negative, and vice versa. So a line, let's say, is perpendicular to y equals 2x plus 3 and has a y-intercept, let's say, of 5, the negative reciprocal of 2, or 2 over 1, the reciprocal will be 1/2, and we change the sign. So the correct answer would be y equals negative 1/2 x plus, we say 5 as the y-intercept. So again, 2x is the negative reciprocal of negative 1/2 x, and negative 1/2 x is the negative reciprocal of 2x. Okay? Let's look at another one. Let's say we have a line that has a slope of y equals negative 1/4 x minus 2. All right, so the negative reciprocal of negative 1/4 would be, turn it upside down, instead of 1/4, it's going to be 4 over 1, and change the sign. So it would be positive, and let's say it has a y-intercept of -6. So in this case, the perpendicular line would be y equals 4x minus 6. All right? So again, perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals of each other. Turn it upside down and reverse the sign. Those are the two concepts I want you to walk away from section 4-4 with. All right, take a brief pause, grab a glass of iced tea, and I'll be right back with you as I reconfigure my board here to start section 5-1, where we're going to be solving inequalities by addition. All right, take a break, I'll be right back with you.